Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the items that came out in the spring collection for Dior. This is the trio that I purchased. And this one is in number 643 and it's called Pure Petals. And before I start, I wanted to let you know that this video is in collaboration with my friend here, the Analyst. She also has a channel where she reviews high-end products, and if you want to check it out, I'll leave her link down below. So let's get started. I have already prepped my eyes. I have a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder on top, and I'm going to start with the darkest one in the bottom. This is a Ref number 15. I haven't seen any other videos on this trio yet because I wanted to have my own opinion. And okay, so it looks like I have to dip a lot to get this payout. Let's see. It doesn't seem like it's very pigmented. However, it might be because it's a little glowy. But as you can see, you can build it up. Okay, so this took about 4 or 5 swipes from the shadow, something that I wasn't expecting. I thought it would have a little more pigmentation, and it does have a glow to it. Not bad. I find it to be very smooth and it blends really nicely. For the center, I'm going to use a Ref brush number 1. This one has a lot more pigment with only one swipe. So let's see how it's on the lid. It's very nice. Okay, so what I can see now is that I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but there's not a lot of difference between the rose and the brown. Once you apply it, they blend, and you can't really tell like which one is which. Here they look like they will be very different, but on the eye they look very similar. Now let's go back to the darkest one and see if we can deepen it out. Okay, now you can see a little difference. For the golden, I'm going to be using a Wing Gauze number 17 brush. It picks up really nicely, and I'm gonna apply it right in the center. Again, I don't see a lot of difference. So this is the way it looks. Not bad. I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll come back. For blush, I'm going to use the 219. This was from the winter collection. This I have tried before. It's extremely pigmented, so you have to go easy on it. I'm going to tone it down in a little bit, but it's very pigmented. For lips, I'm going to be using this beautiful shade. This is also from the winter collection. and this is number 988. And two things that I enjoy the most are the blush, which I've used before. This is amazing, and I'm very surprised that it's so pigmented, which is great because it means that it's gonna last forever. And also the lipstick. This shade is part of a collection that came together with 6 other lipsticks, or 6 in total I should say, and they are all amazing. This is the first time I tried it and I love it. Now for the trio, I have several things to say. It was okay, not ideal for my taste on the first eye, but I don't know if you can see here that by the time I went on the second eye, there's already a cast here and a cast on the golden one. That shouldn't have happened if I just used the product twice and like in seconds, between seconds. So I think that for the price, it's going to be a pass. I will be returning this because for the same price I can get 5 colors with the other shades that they have. So I don't know what happened here. This is the first time that I'm using a Dior shadow. I was not pleased at all. This would be great for someone who doesn't like a lot of pigments, or they like to wear very light makeup. However, you can get, for the same price, you can get 5 colors from another product eyeshadow from Dior. So I don't know what happened here. I don't know if it's just this one or if the other one, because there were 2 trios in the collection, in the spring collection. I just don't see it. It didn't wow me at all. And to be my first Dior shadows, I'm a little disappointed. But the blush and the lipsticks were a total hit. So I hope you guys enjoy this review. If you do, please don't forget to give me a like and leave me a comment. Maybe tell me if you were thinking about it, about getting it, or if you got it. And please, please, please don't forget to check out my friend's video because it's amazing. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.